Are you a young professional looking to sharpen your skills and take your career to the next level? Tap in. We've got you covered. My name is Adonis Hill. I'm best known as a marketer, producer, and project manager with over 10 years experience helping organizations increase engagement and conversions. Through freelancing, full-time jobs, and starting my own agency, I've had the pleasure to work with some major brands and even A-list celebrities on some really cool projects. But for much of my career, I had to learn by fire and be self-taught. I didn't have much of a blueprint to follow that set me up for success when it came to my work in creative marketing, live event production, content production, and even project management. To address many of the challenges that I faced, I created a practical guide that helps build the foundation that I needed earlier in my career. The Essential Guide of Navigating Your Professional Journey is great for early career professionals looking to master key fundamentals in an engaging way while maximizing time. Expect actionable strategies, real-life examples, and interactive exercises. It will give you the tools, references, and guidance to go to the next level of your professional journey. If you're ready to accelerate your growth, check it out by visiting levelupdevelopment.world.